Hello, I've put together a quick video showing the unboxing of Ledger's Nano S hardware wallet. The Nano S, as with other hardware wallets, is a way to keep your private key on a hardware device. The Nano lets you install software apps on the device to manage different currencies and tokens. The Nano S supports between 3 and 20 apps, which is pretty approximate, I know. But I guess is dependent on the app size, and at the time of recording this video I can't guide you to the space required by each asset. However, I do plan to record setting up the device and storing several currencies, so if you have any requests, let me know in the comments. Crucially though, a really large number of currencies and tokens are supported. Ask in the comments if you want to know more. A good number of supported assets are also integrated in the Ledger Live application that you can download to work with your wallet. So let's have a look at what's in the box. So we have the Nano S, a fairly small device with a brushed steel outer sleeve and a plastic cased device, sort of USB drive kind of size, and very approximately it's 6 centimeters by 2 centimeters by 1 centimeter deep. The precise sizes are on the Ledger website. I've put a link below the video. We have some getting started details and a tamper information card. You'll notice the device has no tamper tape, so this explains why. There are 3 recovery phrase cards. A future video will show you how to set up the Nano, but as part of the process you save the private key seed of your device to paper. Writing down 24 words that will allow you to recover your private key if lost. All very clever stuff. Goes without saying, if you were sold a device with these filled in, don't use it. And send it back. This would never happen if you bought it from the manufacturer, of course, but I have read that via other markets you sometimes scammers and fraudsters will intercept hardware wallets and try and set them up and get you to use them, and therefore if it was pre-configured, they would have access to your private key and your funds. So pretty unlikely to happen, but you need to be mindful of that possibility. So just be careful and choose your supplier wisely. We've then got a lanyard, a key ring and a keychain. There's also a USB-A to micro USB cable. Now, if you need a USB-C or a micro to micro cable, say for your laptop or a mobile phone, Ledger do sell a OTG kit that contains all 3 of those cable types. So I'll put a link in the description. Software-wise, you can use the device with Windows 8 onwards, Mac OS 10.10, Yosemite onwards, or Linux, but that does exclude ARM processors. You can use Android 7 smartphones, but just note the cables. Okay, I think that's a wrap. So I hope that gives you some assistance for when you're looking to buy a Nano S. If you've got any questions or requests for future videos, please post a comment below and I will do my best to help.